Hello dear children, welcome to Rishikul Online School. Today we shall discuss chapter number 5 of Geography, which is about major domains of the earth. This is the first module of the chapter. Dear students, you might have remembered that in the first chapter of Geography named Solar System, we studied about that earth is a unique planet. It's unique because it has all the life sustaining elements like land, air and water. So these are termed as lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere respectively. The sphere where we find land, water and air together and which contains all forms of life is called the biosphere. In this way, there are 4 domains or the sphere of the earth. Let us study about them in detail. So first we will take up lithosphere. The word lithosphere it is derived from the Greek word lithos, which means stone or rock. The hard crust that forms the outer solid surface of the earth on which we live is known as the lithosphere. The whole lithosphere it is made up of 9 large plates and about a dozen smaller plates. These plates are called tectonic plates. They move continuously and change their position in relation to each other. The continents they are embedded in these plates. There are 7 continents on the earth, namely Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. If you see the world map, you will find that the northern hemisphere it has the greater part of the land mass. Asia, Europe and North America they lie entirely in the northern hemisphere, while Australia and Antarctica they lie entirely in the southern hemisphere. It is called the land hemisphere. Asia, the largest continent. It covers about 1/3 of the total land area of the earth. The continent lie in the eastern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer, it passes through this continent. Africa, the second largest continent. The equator that runs almost through the middle of the continent. A large part of Africa lie in the northern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer, the equator and the Tropic of Capricorn, they pass through this continent. North America, it is the third largest continent of the world. It is linked to South America by a very narrow strip of land called the Isthmus of Panama. The continent lies completely in the northern and the western hemisphere. South America lies mostly in the southern hemisphere. The Andes, world's longest mountain range, runs through its length from north to south. South America, it has the world's largest river, the Amazon. Let's talk about Antarctica. It is completely lies in the southern hemisphere. It is larger than the combined area of Europe and Australia. The South Pole lies almost at the center of this continent. Many countries have set up their research stations in Antarctica. Europe is much smaller than Asia. The continent lies to the west of Asia. The Arctic circle that passes through it is bound by water bodies on 3 sides. Now we shall discuss about Australia. Australia, this is the smallest continent that lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. It is surrounded on all sides by the oceans and the seas. It is called an island continent. So dear children, this was all about this module. We shall continue the chapter with the next module. Have a nice day.